Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best hot tub filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining a pristine and healthy hot tub experience, ensuring that every soak is as relaxing and rejuvenating as the first, and this particular model promises to elevate your hydrotherapy sessions by providing superior filtration capabilities that capture even the finest impurities, leaving your water crystal clear and inviting for ultimate enjoyment. Number 5. Bestway SaluSpa Replacement Spa Filter Cartridge, Type 6, 2-pack. Maintaining crystal clear water in your hot tub has never been easier. This replacement filter ensures your spa remains a clean and inviting oasis. Designed for durability, these filters are simple to clean, allowing them to last significantly longer. This means fewer replacements and more time enjoying your spa. These Type 6 filter cartridges are specifically designed to be compatible with SaluSpa hot tub pumps. Enjoy a perfect fit and optimal performance. Each package includes 2 filter cartridges, model number 60311E. This convenient 2-pack ensures you always have a spare on hand. With dimensions of 4.2 by 4.2 by 3.1 inches, these filters are compact yet highly effective. They efficiently remove impurities to keep your water pure. Invest in the quality of your spa experience. These easy-to-clean, long-lasting filters make maintaining your hot tub water effortless. What we like. This filter offers excellent compatibility with popular SaluSpa and Coleman hot tubs. Its easy-to-clean design means less frequent replacements, saving you money and hassle. If you're looking for a straightforward, cost-effective solution to keep your inflatable hot tub water clean, this 2-pack is a great choice. What people say. The Bestway filter has been in my spa now going on 2 weeks, without even having to rinse or clean it, no pump errors. Works great, keeps the water clean, flowing strong, and is a great value for the money. Fitment good. Functionality is perfect. Easy to use. Rinse thoroughly every other day and swap out with a rinsed one while letting the newly cleaned one dry, then rinse it again before swapping it back in. Have been keeping 3 in rotation with daily usage since 102024. 2 folks using the spa approximately daily. Limited degradation and filtration remains adequate. Number 4. FutureWay SaluSpa Type 6 Hot Tub Filter Replacement, 4-pack. Keep your inflatable hot tub water crystal clear with our compatible Type 6 filters. Designed to fit SaluSpa and Lazy Spa models, they ensure your filtration system works perfectly. Rest assured, these filters are NSF/ANSI 50 certified, meaning they are made with safe materials. They effectively trap debris for cleaner, healthier water. Our unique trilobal pleated design captures 3 times more debris than standard filters. It efficiently traps leaves, hair, sand, and oils, leaving your water pristine. Constructed with a corrosion-resistant end cap and strong polyester fiber, these filters are built for durability. They withstand high temperatures and chemical damage, offering long-lasting performance. The innovative trilobal structure repels large particles and prevents buildup, making maintenance a breeze. A simple rinse is all it takes to keep them working efficiently. With a free-flowing porous core, these filters ensure stable operation and minimize clogging. This means you won't need to replace them as often, saving you time and money. What we like. This filter boasts NSF/ANSI 50 certification, ensuring safe materials for your peace of mind. The advanced trilobal pleated design captures significantly more debris, leading to exceptionally clean water. If you prioritize water purity and want a filter that lasts longer due to superior debris capture and easy rinsing, this 4-pack is ideal for you. What people say. This filter is a perfect fit for my 303279 hot tub. It effectively removes debris and keeps the water clear. Easy to install and maintain. Number 3. Guardian Filtration Spa Filter Cartridge 610-124-03. Introducing the Guardian Filtration Spa Filter Cartridge. Keep your spa water pristine with this essential replacement. Engineered for exceptional clarity, it effectively removes impurities. Enjoy a cleaner, more refreshing spa experience. Designed for a seamless fit, replacing your old filter is a breeze. Get back to relaxing in no time. Crafted with high-quality materials, this cartridge ensures reliable performance. It's built to last, providing extended use. This versatile filter is compatible with Pleeco PWK30, Unisol C6430, and Filbert FC 3915 models. A perfect upgrade for your spa. Invest in the health and enjoyment of your spa. Choose Guardian Filtration for superior water quality. What we like. This option provides a convenient 3-pack for continuous use and is designed as a direct replacement for several popular filter models. It ensures high-quality filtration to keep your spa water pristine. If you need a reliable, multi-pack filter that offers excellent value and performance for common spa brands, this is the one to consider. What people say. Filters were shipped fast, fit as described, are working great. New ceramic ones were really expensive and luckily were out of stock. So I purchased these as an interim solution. 2 years later they are still doing the job. They are holding up amazingly. Nice filter with long life if cleaned on regular basis. We use spa every day and we only change theses once a year. Number 2. Clarathon 2 Replacement Spa Filters, 50 SF, 2-pack. Ensure your spa water is always clean and pure with these high-quality replacement filters. Designed for optimal performance, they provide crystal clear water for your relaxation. These filters are engineered to fit a wide range of popular spa brands, including LifeSmart, FreeFlow, Aquaterra, Hydromaster, Grandmaster, Simplicity, and Bermuda Spas. Enjoy seamless compatibility and easy installation. Featuring 50 square feet of advanced filtration media, they effectively capture debris and impurities. Experience superior water clarity that enhances your spa experience. With a precise diameter of 5 to 3/8 inches and a length of 9 to 5/8 inches, these filters are designed for a perfect fit. The convenient threaded bottom and closed top with a string pull make installation a breeze. We guarantee that these filters will equal or outperform the original equipment manufacturer's filters. Invest in reliable filtration for your spa and enjoy peace of mind. This pack includes 2 replacement filters, ensuring you have a spare on hand. Keep your spa in top condition with this convenient and cost-effective solution. What we like. With a substantial 50 square feet of filtration media, this filter offers superior water cleaning capabilities. It's designed to be compatible with a wide range of spa brands, making it a versatile choice. If you have a larger spa or are looking for enhanced filtration performance and don't want to compromise on water clarity, this 2-pack is an excellent option. What people say. The filter is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring optimal performance of the hot tub. It effectively removes debris and particles, keeping the water clear and clean. The durable construction of the filter guarantees a long lifespan, providing excellent value. Number 1. Guardian Filtration Spa Filter Cartridge 4H8-158-02. Experience crystal clear water with our premium spa filter cartridge. It's designed to provide exceptional filtration, ensuring a clean and refreshing spa experience every time. This replacement cartridge is built with high-quality rejuvenating filtration fabric and an expansive flow core. Its antimicrobial end caps help maintain water purity. Featuring a convenient handle top and a threaded bottom, installation is a breeze. It's designed for a perfect fit in a variety of popular spa models. This filter is a direct replacement for Unisol 4CH21, Pleeco PTL18P4, and Filbert FC0121. Enjoy hassle-free replacement and maintain optimal spa performance. It's compatible with numerous spa brands including Alcove, Dreammaker Spas, and Vita Spas. Keep your spa water pristine with this reliable filtration solution. Crafted for durability, this cartridge ensures long-lasting performance. You can rely on it to keep your spa water clean and inviting for extended periods. What we like. This filter features high-quality rejuvenating filtration fabric and antimicrobial end caps for a cleaner, healthier spa environment. Its specific dimensions and threaded connection make it suitable for a variety of spa models. If you're looking for a filter with advanced material properties to combat microbial growth and ensure efficient water flow for specific spa systems, this is a strong contender. What people say. This filter is a perfect fit for my 303279 hot tub and it works great. The quality of the filter is excellent, it really keeps the water clean and clear. I was impressed with how easy it was to install this filter. It just slid right in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.